In vivo from the Dominican Republic, OVO Deportes presents the Coke Boys Championship Open with your hosts, French Montagna and El Drake.
That was crazy.
Crazy, papi. I had the Romani thing. They whip it out. She said, oop. There it is. Papi, my thing was like they came to Motambo.
I believe it.
Carmelo Antonio.
Oh! Coming to you live on Evo from Casa de Campos.
Reporting live from
Dominican Republic. Today we have a absolute classico for you. It's,
Knee and hing.
Yeah, well, French Montagna and Drake. It's no chopping 2016. If you remember the year, it was a good time.
I like your move. Papi.
I try.
I try. Me try too, papi.
Sipping on a drink, sipping on a drink. Sipping on a drink, sipping on a drink. All about the moolah, all about the moolah. Word to the bird, I ain't never take a first shot. Running through them keys way before Cali. Running with the pushes way before Malice. Word to the five, I'm the one like 4 minus. Caught off the rebound, Ben Wallace gave her $4. Sipping on the drink, sipping on the drink. Sipping on the drink, I ain't tryna think. When it get hot, body start dropping. Hit the strip club, told the hoes go and get the mop. Word to Diddy, we still rockin'. Word to Biggie, we'll be pockin'. I just bought Selena crib, I'm poppin'. I just told Drizzy, let me take Serena to the tropics. Sippin' on the drink, sippin' on the drink. Sippin' on the drink, I ain't tryna think. Sitting high, 6 guard cover. Tell them hoes get low, 6 guard coming. Sippin' on the drink, sippin' on the drink. Sippin' on the drink, sippin' on the drink. All about the moolah, all about the moolah. Word to the bird, I ain't never take a first shot.
You wanna see it? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? Next time!
Pump it up. She got a good head on her, but I pump it up. I'm not a one-hit wonder, they know all my stuff. You let me turn into the nigga that you almost was. I done seen a lot of shit and I done been in things. And I never started nothing, I just finished things. And I'm sell off like the man that brought me in this thing. How ya out here celebrating like the winning team? No, calm down. Shit ain't how you think it is, take a look around. I'm supposed to be on a vacation right now, but I'm home wildin'. Word to DJ Khaled, back with another one. I'm steady dropping bombs on your head top. Been that way since I could make your bed rock. I'm on blue where you can't shop. Bitch, I just rapped and it went pop. Next move better than my last move. Your next move can't erase your past moves. Took her out once she got attached to him. Ring, ring, click, I get back to him. You don't really want the views. You don't want a snapshot of things going on with the crew. You don't want to hear not nice did 13 and did another 2 for some other shit he didn't do. Last week, boy, them running in the room. This week, sold 1.2. Yeah, it's a Boucheron, baby boy. Yeah, and I know Taraji like I'm baby boy. And I fuck with Weezy and I'm baby boy. Yeah, we the army, better yet the Navy boy. Yeah, sippin' on the drink, sippin' on the drink. Yeah, sippin' on the drink, I ain't tryna think.
All about the moolah, all about the moolah. Word to the bird, I ain't never take a first shot. Sippin' on the drink, sippin' on the drink. Sippin' on the drink, I ain't tryna think. All about the moolah, all about the moolah. Word to the bird, I ain't never take a first shot. The birds won rings and tings, you know. But we'll never take the bird shopping, you know. Still, you already don't know. Big up, 6 guys. And skirt, skirt.
Joder, man. Hable a ver. Por la puta como ve. Puta, when I talk with dinero. We don't pay for no food.
Your fake Spanish is legendary.
Yes.